In a significant effort to enhance the capacity of legal aid service for children in contact with the law, the Sierra Leone Legal Aid Board, with invaluable support from UNICEF, conducted a one-day refresher training workshop for paralegals at the Sierra Leone Police Officers' Wives Hall in Kintom. The workshop brought together key stakeholders dedicated to improve legal services for children and reinforcing the commitment to children's rights in the justice system. The training aimed to bolster the skills and knowledge of paralegals working in the area of child law, ensuring they are well equipped to provide effective legal assistance to vulnerable youth in their communities. Emphasizing the importance of this initiative, the Executive Director, Legal Aid Board Sierra Leone, Fatmata Claire Carlton Hansels, expressed her appreciation for the collaboration with UNICEF and highlighted the critical role paralegals play in the legal framework.
For giving us that opportunity to train our staff around the country in Freetown, Waterloo, etc. Because from time to time, it's important that the staff get refresher training to talk about issues which they encounter in the offices every day. We're working with partner institutions like the police, the courts, etc. So today we're doing paralegal training, service delivery. Already the course has started at Paralegal College. We are hoping we are going to cascade it into constituent colleges and universities to be able to make sure that we have enough paralegals as we have paramedics nationwide. But we are not yet there. But those who are working every day, it is very important that from time to time we are able to bring them and we are able to talk about their issues, talk about paralegal issues, what are the services which they render, how do they see it in the courts, how do they see it out of the courts. So it's a very, very important training, and it is good that we are having it, because from time to time we do train on different aspects, but this is staff training. So
Bankole Clifford Ekunaya Morgan, a Defense Council member of the Legal Aid Board Sierra Leone, also shared his insight on the training. He said it is their responsibility to ensure that every child, regardless of their circumstances, has access to justice, and the refresher training course has provided them with the updated knowledge and strategies that they can implement in their daily work.
Essentially, it helps to capacitate us as a lawyer in representing child or children in court number 7. And when you take a look at the content of the training, the legal and policy safeguards, case management, all of these are relevant to us, our work. It's a refresher training, because as lawyers you need to have this kind of training to keep yourself abreast with the law. We dealt extensively regarding the Child's Rights Act, the relevant portions, and also the Young Persons and Children's Act. And a lot of portions was handled. And again, talking about the legal and policy framework, essentially you talk about the tripartite approach in the projection of fundamental human rights. If, for example, there is anything relating to a violation, the first thing you do, you look at the international treaties, the Convention on the Rights of the Children, which rights has been prohibited there. From there you come to the regional document, which is the Child Rights and Welfare Convention.
Aminata Sise, a paralegal attached to the ADR Department of Legal Aid Board Sierra Leone, expressed her gratitude for the opportunity to participate in the workshop. She said the skills and insight gained are invaluable, and they have empowered them to give better service and defend the rights of children in their communities.
As for me, as a paralegal, it means a lot. It helps to embody my understanding, because for us as a paralegal, we go out in communities to enlighten peoples, and especially for the children, for their rights and how they can, get contact with the law for them to be in the safer place. That's a lot, as I said. It's a way of impacting the knowledge of our understanding pertaining the rights of children, because we go to communities, we go to places to explain to mothers, fathers, and even those are guiding children for the right of a child in their different groups.
The workshop concluded with a renewed commitment among participants to prioritize the welfare of children in the legal system and work collaboratively towards the global equitable access to justice for all. This initiative marks another step forward in Sierra Leone's ongoing effort to support children involved in legal matters, affirming the country's dedication to upholding the principle of children's rights and ensuring a more just legal framework. For Star TV News in Freetown, I am George Elliott Sam reporting.